Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I have plans. And my plans include adding some black enamel. Actually, I'm going to add regular black to my shovel. If I can open it. Which reminds me, I need to get my glasses back on my face. They work much better actually on my face than they do off. That ought to give me a nice wide, there they are, wide swath down the middle. And I am going to put that aside for a moment. Here are my colors that I had. Not sure what I'm going to do with those yet, if anything at all. I'm going to use whatever will come out of a bottle. That's not coming out fast. It must be time to go ahead and do some more of that. And hopefully this will come out better than that did, because those two things did not come out very well. Same difference there. Let's just put all my pinks on one side. That's a purple. Obviously not a pink. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to tip that. I might even tip it all over the place. And my plans could change. But I think what I want right this second is anything to use as an edge catcher, even this little tiny thing. Throw that across. Turn it around, turn this around so the colors stay the same, match it up, throw it over again. Obviously I had a lot more purple than anything else. My inclination is to go, hey, let's just move that down and throw it back on and see how far it goes. Tip it right across. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link. Maybe I'll just keep doing that for a while. Who knows? This is different. This is definitely a spur of the moment experiment. I'm going to use that paint right there. I think I'm going to use a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. My number 4 is a diagonal blade. I'm going to take that and put it away. Well, maybe I am. Maybe I'm going to get this paint off of here first. I think that needs an OXO omelet turning spatula. I'm going to take all this paint and put it right here too. Strictly accidental art. Spontaneous accidental art. So I've got black and I've got this other color. So why don't I take what I've got from this other color, put it up here, and down there. Throw my dish in the bucket. Let's see what else I want to do. I want to take whatever colors make me happy. Now, orange next to blue, not always the wisest idea, but in this case, I think we can get away with almost anything. I haven't put any white or white pearl in there, and I want some. I'm just flying by the seat of my pants, whatever I happen to like. Just going to use my shovel to add things spontaneously because it was there and because I can. That's the credo of my studio, the because I can credo. So I like the white and I'm going to put some more in there. I was tempted for a moment by the white enamel acrylic because it would sell, but I don't care about sells right now. I just want to make some very spontaneous art. Very accidental spontaneous art, and I'm just going to keep, I think, I was going to keep putting more of that other color in there, but I think I'm going to put whatever comes to mind using the corner of my shovel and the edge of my finger. And I'm probably going to tip again. I've got a color I really like. Where are you? There we go. I haven't used much of that today. I don't know how any of this is going to work. I'm just going to keep filling in where I feel like it. And then I'm going to wind up tipping things in place. I love the randomness of the shapes. I don't think they're going to necessarily stay if I tilt. I could probably play with a straw. Maybe that's what I should do for right now. You know what? First I'm going to do what people keep telling me I'm good at. I'm going to use my skewer. I'm going to need some of that to go down over the edge though. I can use my fingers. Look at that. Tools on the ends of my hands. Perfect. And yours. I got 2 ends on this skewer because I already used up all the points. That was the point. I'm just nudging paint. And it'll all probably be for no good reason at all when I get around to the part where I decide to tilt. If I do. Which I don't have to necessarily. A lot of times when I do these wild experiments, they are in my mind an aid to whatever I might wind up doing concerning a potential scape. Whenever I've got extra paint on my skewer, I'm usually pretty happy just to stick it in. I really like all my white areas. I've got a lot of nice cells in my shovel, so I think I'm just going to use... I need a flatter skewer, that's all there is to it. That one's really not working for me very well. Now as soon as I get a bead of paint rolling over the side of my canvas, then I can also use that bead of paint anywhere I want. For the most part. Got to be careful of orangey yellow and black because they do turn green. Anywhere I see that I've got paint dripping down, that is paint I can use. And if I don't engage that yellow too much, I'm just stealing paint right now. I won't have green. It would have to really thin out or be manipulated to turn green, I believe. So what do I want down here? I like all this white. I like that little yellow-orange droplet too. So I use GAC 800 by Golden in all my color mixes, which means that I can leave my paint heavy. If I want to stop and not tip, I could do that. And my paint would not crack when it dried. Somebody's got a squirrel on their mind or something. Alright, so I'm going to keep using my skewer to just fill in from one side to the other, nudge and push, and when I get schmutz in the way or on my skewer, I will just use that paint to do something else with, and figure it's just part of the accidental process. It's all good. I'm gonna grab some, I'm gonna steal some paint from here, put it right in there. That's a hole. That's a hole. That is no longer a hole. I still have more holes. Oh well. You know what? It could be time to tip. I say that, but you don't believe me? Yeah, I know. Hard to believe me. Once you've been through this a few times, you know. You can't trust me in my process. It is what it is, and it becomes what it becomes, and it does it at any given moment. And I really do want to tip a little bit, but I have to move some of my bottles out of the way in order to get some space to do that. I'll be reorganizing for a while. Alright, so that's all making me kind of happy. It's very organic feeling, and I like the colors. And I really don't want to lose a whole lot of it. So maybe I'll give myself a little bit more here and there, because I have quite a bit of this color. I like the white when I find it. You can tell I can't see very well even with glasses on. They're reading glasses. Because till I run right over it pretty much, till it's in my face, I don't necessarily see it. I'm going to grab some of this dripping black paint and cover that fingerprint I see. Nudge everything else up, hopefully without getting it too... I don't want the green, I just don't want it. Alright, so I keep saying alright so and not doing anything. Where's my straw? Now I'm never sure why I'm so concerned, because really the truth is that the canvas is pre-primed. And Floetrol levels everything out, so it's all going to become level and show canvas texture, where it's thin, no matter what. Nope, that's not bothering me. Cool. I didn't lose too many of my white spots so far. I've discovered a few more colors. This is just way fun. I think I'm going to take a big chance right after I blow that one spot. It looks like some very surreal scape, and I can't imagine what it would be a scape of. I'm just putting colors where I feel like they go. Letting them drip when they want. I like that down there. It's a very abstract, expressionist, spur of the moment, completely spontaneous, not meant to be anything at all other than fun, complete experiment. Still finding a few spots of canvas, but I think I should tell you whatever I'm going to tell you, because you're going to be gone soon, and I'm going to be gone soon, because this is just about as done as I need it to be, and I really didn't tip much, but that's okay. I should torch, make sure one more round of searching for canvas. Alright, so you either like it or you don't, and you don't have to. I do. That's all that's really supposed to be important when you're creating your art, is that you like it. If you want to go into business, get ready for a big pain in the butt, because it's all about marketing. And which reminds me, I do sell my art. And I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I can't wait for this corona thing to be over, so it's not an issue anymore. I lost a couple students already to canceled flights. I love you guys. There's almost 86,000 of you. I'm just going to keep working around the edge, looking for whatever spots I might find and poking. That's a thing. I got it though. I got to use my extra paint up, my leftover paint, and I'm happy about that. And I do keep finding spots and adding little marks, and that's okay with me too. And I got 2 minutes to tell you guys whatever I need to tell you, which is, other than selling my artwork, I also have Teespring clothing below the video. And if you shop there, it helps me out. There's all over print leggings and t-shirts and pillows and tapestries and phone cases. Same as on fineartamericanpixels.com, and you can find that on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. Oh wait, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More. My mistake. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is for people who might be interested to see what I've posted and finished editing from YouTube videos, wet and dry artworks. I don't know, this is cool. I want something over here and something over here. I'm just sort of taking a step back and looking at what I've got, and part of me wishes I'd tipped, and part of me is like, no, it's fine. And I'll be looking for little white spots even when you're gone. Check my created playlists. There's 13 genres and 1,200 videos and 10 or 11 plus lists of 100, and you could binge watch there probably for some days, and people do often do that. So thank you, people who often do that. And thank you guys for the wonderful comments and compliments. Thank you for the contributions that have kept me painting for almost 2 years. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I love you much. And for anybody who wants to contribute to help keep the studio going, you can contribute $10 or more to PayPal or Patreon. The icons are on my YouTube channel header, and there are also links underneath the video. And you will find on the end screens of the video there is an exhibition video every month, and you will see the prizes there for that drawing. And the winner will get to pick 3 of those paintings. And I'm just drawing a few things out and adding a few tweaks, and I'm not the least bit unhappy that I'm doing that. So I can't promise what this is going to look like, but it'll be similar. Oh, I just saw that. And I'm going to torch, and you guys are going to be gone. Check your subscription, check your notifications. I have 2 books on my Amazon link. One is called Because I Can, the other one is Unlimited Possibilities. I may even have mentioned those. So purely for my own fun, aesthetically pleasing to me, only accidental, spontaneous, intuitive art. With a few holes here and there that I'm still finding. And I will see you guys anon. Love you much. I hope you come back again. And if you're in the mood, binge watch. That will be helpful. Watch the videos longer, and I need a thumbs up. And your comments help. And I really appreciate you guys spending the time it takes to watch all of the videos. I know some of you are really working hard at helping me out, and I appreciate it like you wouldn't believe. Cool.